Okay, children, all of you switch on your videos. Hi, Havish. Good morning. Satvik, Nainika, Jashwita, switch on your videos. Yes, all of you tell me which month is this? Which month?
November.
Yes, we have entered into November month. October completed. This is November month. Do you know what is the date today?
Three.
Yes, 3rd November. Today is 3rd November.
Miss, what is 3rd November?
Today is the date is 3, Aravind. The date is 3.
Okay, Miss.
All of you switch on your videos, children. Switch on your videos.
I have
Did you
switched
have
on.
your breakfast, everyone?
Yes,
Did you have your breakfast? Okay, tell me how many blocks we have completed.
Four.
Yes, 4 blocks we have completed. And now we are entering into block 5, adding 3-digit numbers. Adding?
3-digit numbers.
Okay, all of you type a 3-digit number in chat box. All of you type a 3-digit number. Any 3-digit number. Your wish. Very good, Jashwita. Good, Aravind. Yes, did you remember, children, how to add using expanded form? We already discussed. Did you remember? See, children, some parents are talking. Who is that? See, children, we already discussed how to add 3-digit numbers using expanded form and also column method. Now let us practice adding 3-digit numbers using column method. Okay? Kartikeya, that is 4-digit number. I told 3-digit number. Hi, Anushvi. Okay, so children, how to add 3-digit numbers in column method? Today, let us see. All of you look at the screen very carefully. All of you look at the screen, children. All of you write in your books. What is the symbol for addition? What is the symbol for addition, children?
Plus.
Plus. Very good. The symbol for addition is plus. All of you note down the question.
What?
All of you note down the question. 425. 425 plus 132. 425 plus 132. Now we are going to add these two numbers, you children. All of you observe very, very carefully. Okay. Now all of you write 425 and put a plus here. Now 132. Now all of you mark ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Children, if you are not able to see the screen, all of you listen carefully. If you are not able to see the screen, touch on the screen 2 times. If you touch on the screen 2 times, you can see the screen. Okay, all of you should start adding from one's place. 5 in mind, 2 in hand. 5 after 6, 7. This is 7. 2 in mind, 3 in hands. 2 after 3, 4, 5 you will get. And 4 in mind, 1 in hand. 4 after 5. 557. How many of you got the same answer? Okay, now all of you, I'll give four questions. Children, you need to complete now. Everyone. 356 plus 121. I'll show you the screen. If it is regrouping, you have to carry forward to the tens place or hundreds place. We already discussed it, children. Don't worry, I'll show you the screen. Wait for a second, I'll show you the screen. Can you complete this 4 sums using column method? All of you start adding ones place. Who finished this sum? Show me your thumb. First question I am reading. 356 plus 121. Second question, 167 plus 234. Third question, 226 plus 183. Fourth one, 483 plus 112. Very neatly do, children. Then show me your thumb. Can you all listen to me? Show me your thumb. Am I audible? Can you all listen to me? Yes, very good. I'm showing you the screen. I'm showing. Wait. Children, this is a screen. You have to complete these 4 sums.
If I can't see screen, miss. I also miss.
Why? This is a screen. You can see. Children, observe carefully.
Yes, miss. Now can I see, miss?
Satvik, switch on your video.
Miss, can you?
Yakub, are you Yakub? Children, everybody should switch on videos.
Miss, today I have DZ class now, miss. Miss, completed.
I'll tell you when you'll have DZ class, children. Not today, I'll tell you. Make it fast, children. Today, no DZ class. I'll tell you when you will have.
Miss, completed. Miss, completed.
Okay, now all of you open. Okay. Now all of you open worksheets and complete S2 and S3. Block 5. Block 5, S2, S3. All of you open worksheet. Worksheet, Havish. All of you open worksheet. See how many of you complete.
Miss, we did S2 minutes as well.
Okay, now do.
Also completed, miss.
Okay, you did S1 and S2, children.
Yes, miss.
Okay, now start doing S3, everyone.
S3 also completed, miss.
Oh, S3 completed.
Ishwari, miss.
Okay, good.
तारीख दोनचे
तिंगा दुसरो नंबर येतो
4 येतात
तिंगा 4 येणे तू पहिला कर 8 + 3
सेम नंबर 1 yes 2 means
2 S3, children, do S3. Jashvita, are you drinking water or anything else? See, class has started 15 minutes ago. From 15 minutes, you are drinking. Anushvi, are you doing, ma? Anushvi? Pragna, are you doing, Pragna? Don't talk,
Yes,
children. Fatima, who is talking around you, Fatima?
Miss, anyone is not talking. Miss, my brother is crying. Miss.
Okay. Who completed S3? Show me your thumb. So, children, if you get a 2-digit number in one's place, you should carry to the next place.
This is Tanish. I completed S3 and S4 also, Miss.
S4 also.
Yes, Miss.
Very good, Tanish.
Miss, I too completed Miss Fatima.
Very good, Fatima. Very good. See, children, S4 is based on word problems. We already discussed regarding word problems, how to write a word problem and how to solve a word problem. See, children, I'll post the block for CW. Okay. I'll post block for CW in the group today. You have to copy down in your CWs. Block 4 and block 5 CWs I'll send you today. Okay?
Okay, Miss. Miss,
Very good.
I will call you, Miss. See, Miss.
Very good, Akshara.
All the sums are completed.
Very good, Akshara.
Here is the 2, Miss. Miss, I'll post to the group, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Miss, afternoon class also next, Miss.
What?
We should rejoin Miss after this class. Afternoon class also next, Miss.
Yes, afternoon also you have maths class at 1:30, children. Okay. I think all of you completed S3. Now all of you, in your rough books, all of you should write a word problem. I'll tell you with the 3-digit children. I'll tell you one example. You have to write a word problem on your own in your rough books or in HD which book you are writing. Write neatly. Okay, I'll tell you one example children how to write. Listen carefully, everyone. There are 325 boys and 135 girls in a school. How many children are there total? So, like that, you have to write a word problem using 3 digits. Are you ready to write, children?
We shall write subtraction word problem.
No, addition word problem. Write down Tanish addition word problem.
Okay, Miss.
I told you one example now. All of you write a word problem on addition. Make it fast. Using 3 digits, you have to write 3 digits. You can write any word problem of your choice. Havish.
25
Jashvita, are you writing?
I gave 132 seconds. Too many. One.
Meghana, Satvik, switch on your videos. Aradhya, Hemant.
226 plus 310 plus 180.
Children, somebody is talking.
Miss completed, miss.
Good.
How many? See, miss. Miss, can you see?
Yes, very good, Akshara.
Thank you, miss. Thank you.
Aravind, can you read what word problem you have written, Aravind? Unmute yourself, Aravind. Did you complete the word problem or not?
5 in 9, 6 in number, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 in 1, 2 number, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, miss.
Read the word problem. What you
Miss,
have written in your book?
Miss completed, miss.
Okay.
Miss, shall I read, miss?
Yes, Tanish, read the word problem.
Tani has 325 toys and my friend has 226 toys. Total, how many toys are there, miss?
Very good, Tanish. Okay, children who completed, all of you look at the screen now. Look at the screen. Now we are going to solve a word problem.
From subtraction.
Not subtraction. Addition only.
Okay. I have one my friend Fatima has 245 just now 146 books. My friend Fatima has 245 45 books.
Children, now I'll give you a word problem. You have to solve it. So, listen the word problem carefully, all of you. There are children, the word problem is there are 422 green leaves and 167 red leaves. How many leaves are there in all? How you should write? Number of green leaves equal to, you'll write number of red leaves. At last you'll write total number of leaves. Can you solve it? Show me your thumb. Can you solve it if I show you the question for you? Can you write number of? Very good. I'll show you the question now. I'll share you the screen, children. Okay, I'm sharing you the screen. All of you write the answer for this word problem. See the word problem. Can you all see? Show me your thumb. Can you all see? I'm reading the question. See, children, there are 422 green leaves and 167 red leaves. How many leaves are there in all? All of you should solve. Start doing, children, everyone. No need to write the question. Only solution. Don't write question. Solution, nothing but answer. Only write answer. Don't write question. How will you write number of green leaves? Leave a line and write very neatly, children. If you type your answer in the chat box if you are done. Who completed? Type your answer in the chat box. Good Jashvita, good Aravind, good Akshara, very good. Show me all of you your books. Show me your books. Did you write in words, everyone? Show me your books. Who completed? Who completed? Show me the books.
Miss, Miss, I wrote Miss.
Good Yakub.
Miss, I wrote Miss.
Okay,
Miss,
good
I
everyone.
wrote. Miss,
Children. Okay, good. Children, this is last time I'm telling you. If you didn't switch on your video, I'll exit you from the meeting, children. All of you switch on your videos.
Please show me the screen, miss.
Akshara, I told you in the last class you have to tie your hair for the class, I told you.
Miss, I did bath, miss.
Even though just a small clip you can put, no, Akshara. You should not come to the class like that. So if you are in the school, will you come like this only? No. You'll come to the school by tying your hair. Like that only you should come to the online class also.
Miss, completed.
Who completed? Show me the book. Very good, Hasini. Anushvi, Hemant, switch on your videos. Prem Saran, are you doing Prem?
Yes, miss.
Good, Tanish.
Miss, I completed, miss.
Okay. Same like this only. I'll give you one more problem, children. Same you have to solve. Okay. I'll give you one more.
You give me. Allah. Miss completed.
Okay. I'll give you one more problem, children. Wait.
Miss, I write on.
No, don't write. I'll give you the word problem. You have to write.
Miss, subtraction or addition?
Addition only. Subtraction we will discuss. We'll discuss afterwards. First, after completion of this word problem, we'll discuss subtraction.
Show me the subtract.
Yes, I'll show you. Wait. Wait for a while, children. I'll show you the sum. Who is that talking? Read the question properly and answer, children. Okay, I'm showing you the screen. This is the question Hey, who is that? See, children.
Miss, I can't see properly.
This is your. I'll share you the screen. Please wait. So, children, this is your screen. The question I'm reading. Observe carefully. 562 ice sticks and Ram has 183 ice sticks. How many ice sticks are there in total? Should all write number of. I have 562 ice sticks and Ram has 183 ice sticks. How many ice sticks are there in total? Write the only answer. If you write, that is enough, children. So, children, within 5 minutes, the meeting will be ended. Again, you have to rejoin. Then we will discuss subtraction. Within 5 minutes, the meeting will be ended. Again, you have to rejoin. This is the question. Type your answer in the chat box if you're done. Within 5 minutes, the meeting will be ended. Again, you have to rejoin. Children who completed, type your answer in the chat box. This is the screen, Hasini. These are the numbers. I have 562 ice sticks and Ram has 183 ice sticks. How many ice sticks are there in total? Children, the meeting will be ended within 2 minutes. Again, you have to rejoin. Drink some water and rejoin quickly. Children, all of you rejoin. Yes, children, did you all complete the word problem?
Yes. How many books do you have?
Children, we completed block 5. Okay, all of you should complete S1 to S4 of block 5. I'll send you the answer key in the group, children. From S1 to S4, you have to complete block 5. Okay, very good. And I'll send you the CW.
9 plus 1.
I'll send you the CW in the group, children. Today, block 4 CW and block 5 CW. You have to complete it. Okay, we have completed block 5, children, and block 6 is subtracting 3-digit numbers. Block 5 is adding 3-digit numbers, and block 6 is subtracting 3-digit numbers. Okay? All of you switch on your videos. Okay, all of you, now we are entering into block 6, children. Subtracting 3-digit numbers. So I'll tell you one example and I'll give you 4 more sums you have to complete. First, let us see using expanded form, children. Using expanded form, and then we'll go with, oh Hasini, tomorrow is your birthday. Chaitra's birthday is also tomorrow. Okay, yes, all of you. First, we'll do the subtraction using expanded form. All of you look at the screen. What is symbol for fraction, children? Type your answer in the chat box. What is a symbol for subtraction? Very good, Yakub. Symbol for subtraction is minus. 321 minus 101. 321 minus 101. So all of you note this question in your book. 321 minus 101. Note in your books, everyone. After noting, all of you write expanded form for 321 is equal to, what is the expanded form? Can anybody tell me the expanded form for 321? Can anybody tell me the expanded form of 321?
300. Miss 300 plus 20 plus 1.
Very good. 300 plus 20 plus 1. Next, 101. Who will say expanded form of 101?
100 plus 1. 100 plus 1.
Very good. 100 plus. Here you have 0. So you should put 0 in tens place and plus 1. Very good, children. 100 plus 1. Very good. Now all of you, after writing expanded forms, draw a big line like this.
Okay, miss.
After drawing like this, children, you have to put minus here. As we are doing subtraction, put minus. You have to put one minus here. Okay. Let us start from one's place. Here 1, here also 1. We are doing subtraction minus. Tell me, children, 1 minus 1 is?
0.
0. Very good. All of you put 0 here. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0. Now put plus. Put plus. Now come to tens place. In tens place, what number can you see here?
20, miss.
20 and 0 here. 20 minus 0.
20 minus 20, miss.
20 minus 0. Again, you'll get 20. So all of you put 20, write 20 here and put 1 plus here. Are you all writing in your books? Okay, now tens place is also completed. Now come to hundreds place. In hundreds place, you can see 300 here and 100 here. Who will tell 300 minus 100? 3 minus 1 is 200. Very good. 200. Okay, very 200. Now all of you put equal to here. What is your answer? You have to write this expanded form in numbers. 200 plus 20 plus 0. What is the answer? Type in the chat box. What is the answer? Good, Jashvita. Very good, Yakub Akshara. Very good. 220. So, this is a method of doing a subtraction using expanded form. Now, all of you do 425 minus 113. All of you do subtraction for this using this method, expanded form. First write expanded form for 425 and 113. All of you do subtraction using expanded form. Using expanded form, children. First, do using expanded form. After completion, show me your books. Who completed this sum using expanded form? Stand in your places. Stand. Who completed doing this sum? Stand in your places. Type in the chat box. Answer, type in the chat box. 425 minus 113. First write expanded forms for those two numbers and then subtract starting from ones place. Very good, Fatima. Very good. See, children, Fatima completed. Give a digital clap for Fatima.
Miss, completed.
Good. Very good, Hasini Priya. Very good. If you can't see the screen, touch on the screen 2 times, children. If you touch on the screen 2 times, you can see the screen.
312.
Very good. Very good. Very good, everyone. 312 is the answer. Very good. Okay, who completed? Stand in your places, everyone. Stand in your places. Who completed? Everybody, stand in your places. Havish completed. Very good. 312. Yes, everybody completed. Now, all of you listen to me carefully, children. Now, so children, I'll say right. Right means all of you should clap right, your right side 3 times. If I say left, you should clap your left side 3 times. If I say right, clap 3 times your right side. Left means left side 3 times clap. If I say up, you have to jump 3 times. If I say up, you have to jump 3 times. If I say down, you have to sit and stand for 3 times. Sit and stand for 3 times. Again, I'm telling you, if I say your left side, clap 3 times. If I say your right side, clap again 3 times. If I say up, jump 3 times. If I say down, sit and stand 3 times. Ready, everyone? Show me a thumb. Show me a thumb, everyone. Okay, listen carefully. If I say right and left, you shouldn't jump. Just you need to clap. Right and left. Ready, all of you? Left. Very good. Very good. Right. Very good. Up. Up means you should jump 3 times, children. All of you jump 3 times. Okay, very good. Down means sit and stand for 3 times. Down, all of you. Very good, Fatima. Very good. Okay. Now all of you up. Good, Meghna. Good. Right side. Left. Down.
5, 2, 1.
Okay. Now all of you turn around 3 times. Only 3 times. Don't do extras. Some fellows are doing extras. Hey, Tanish, stop, boy.
Yes, next.
Next, all of you, up. Okay, right side. Left side. Now I'll say very fast. Listen carefully. Right. Left. right, left, right, left, left, right, up, up, down, turn around 3 times.
Okay.
Very good. Everybody participated. Very good. Very good, children. All of you clap yourselves. Very good, children. You are very active, right? You are all active, children.
Yes, miss.
Okay, all of you say yes, miss. I'm active.
Yes, miss. I'm active.
Very good. Yes, you are very good, children. You are active in all the subjects, not only in maths. Yes, no, children?
Yes, miss. Miss, what you say? Miss, what you say? Oh, yes, miss.
Yes, yes. Okay, all of you, once clap yourselves and leave the meeting. Again, we'll meet at 1:30. Again, we'll meet at afternoon 1:30. Again, we have the class. All of you can leave the meeting. Bye, children.
Bye, miss. Bye, miss.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, miss. Bye, miss.